hello, hello, and welcome back to the channel. Hello, 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 hello. Welcome back, 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 welcome back. Hello, today is March 1st, women, the month of women. So I am here with a Amazon haul. Some things that are all the things are new in this video. But before we get into that, if you're stalking me like you should already be, then you seen this ponytail first on TikTok, then Snapchat, and IG. My IG is badgirl30. My TikTok is Queen's Eva Lifestyle. And if you here and you staying in my bushes, hit that subscribe button because it's free. And I don't cost you a thing. Thumbs up this video and I will give you more in the comments below. Let me know what you think. I found, to my subscribers, I found the wig that I bought was $7. The price increased to $18. But I am going to go back and look up the name of the wig because they have a 24-inch straight and a 24-inch body wave. And y'all know I want it. But that'll be in a different video. But right now, I'm back. And let's get into this Amazon haul. So, before we go any further, I have a set of twins. My son is in pull-ups because he has speech delay problems. So I have a box of pull-ups for him with 140 Pampers, 2T, 3T. I have a box of Love for baby Micaiah, size 3, 193 Pampers. I'm not lifting them boxes to show you. I bought them. They here. Sitting in my living room. I'll show you within. But let's get into this haul. So I ordered some press-on nails. Now they're not long like I like. So these will be like temporary boredom or just to put something on my hands. But I have a nail appointment, so that's why I didn't put them on yet. So I bought these with the little rhinestones and stuff. This was $10 on on Amazon. It was $10. Just look them up. I hope y'all can see that. They were pretty. I ordered this set. I hope it's still in the box, or I'm going to send it back. And these was $8. And I thought they were so pretty. And then I brought this brush, which was 99 cents. And I ordered a wig. Yes, I did. And then I turned around and I ordered another wig. Yes, I did. And then I turned around and I ordered another wig. Yeah, I did that too. I also turned around and I brought that, and that. So, yes, it stocked up. I also ordered me a panty waist trainer, which is this. And then I ordered some lashes, and I wore them, but I'll show you. This was $8 and change, I believe. And now we're going to open this last box. Together. I have another wig, I think. Yeah, I'm not about to open it. I think that's another wig. I ordered these because I need a vitamin. And then I have that. I also got that one. And then I have that one. And I have a lip gloss. So, if you like this haul and you want to see more of what I order from Amazon, thumbs up this video, leave a comment in the description box below. And until our next video, later, stay blessed and not stressed. Stay positive. Put some good words in the comments and let me know what you think. Later, my loves.